Wolves were trapping over my bridge.
It is only little Billy Goat Gruff going across the river to make himself fat.
Now I'm coming to eat you.
Oh, please don't eat me. I'm so small. Wait for the next Billy Goat. He's much bigger.
We'll be off with you. Wolves were tripping over my bridge.
It is only little Billy Goat Gruff going across the river to make himself fat.
Now I'm coming to eat you.
Oh no, don't eat me. Wait for the next Billy Goat, he's biggest of all.
We will be off with you. Wolves were tramping over my bridge.
It is big Billy Goat Gruff.
Now I'm coming to eat you. And at once he jumped at the great, very mean and hungry.
But big Billy Goat Gruff was very strong. He put down his head and potted the troll so hard he flew high into the air and then fell down and splashed into the middle of the river. And the great ugly troll was never seen again.
Yum 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 yum.
Yum 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 yum. Yummy 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 yum.
When big Billy Goat Gruff joined middle Billy Goat Gruff and little Billy Goat Gruff in the field on the other side of the river, where we go so fat what we could hardly walk home again.